Now the name that's synonymous with innovative tankless water heating is setting the bar even higher. Rinnai's newest tankless edition incorporates condensing technology to create the most efficient, most durable tankless water heater design on the market today. Available in 2 models, suitable for mid to large size homes, Rinnai's new condensing tankless water heaters offer all the same benefits builders and homeowners have come to expect. Never run out of hot water again and enjoy the savings, convenience, ease of installation, and peace of mind for which Rinnai is famous. Rinnai's unique condensing design incorporates 2 innovative heat exchangers to achieve optimum heating value from every cubic foot of natural gas or propane. The stainless steel system recaptures residual heat from flue gases to preheat incoming groundwater, which then circulates to the primary copper heat exchanger. Delivering up to 95% thermal efficiency, Rinnai tankless condensing units are ideal for residential and commercial applications and can be banked for even greater capacity. And of course, you'll enjoy all the same benefits that have made Rinnai the #1 selling gas tankless water heater brand in the U.S. The Rinnai tankless water heater brand can offer you high efficiency, reliability, and greater service and technical support. Rinnai, experience our innovation.